Welcome back to the internet web. On October 2019, $191,000 worth of gold bars was found on a Swiss train. Because the gold was worth so much, Swiss authorities conducted an investigation to track its owner, but as of today, the owner has not been found. Here's a hose that's shooting out ice. Here's a satisfying video of someone putting icing on a cake. Here's a bunch of birds torpedoing into the ocean. This person is skiing down a hill that's filled with leaves rather than snow. This is a tusk of a woolly mammoth found in Serbia. It is believed that this mammoth was most likely killed by ancient hunters some 100 years ago. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for future videos.